friends, welcome to Shmuel Taurogs, a therapeutic journey show. Greetings from my apartment tonight. I am a night person. If you are a morning person, I applaud you. If you're an afternoon person, I applaud you. But I am definitely a night person, and I applaud all the night people. I like people from all walks of life. Okay, earlier today, I created a show on cooking vegetables. I am going to cook some more vegetables in the show tonight. First, I am going to start preparing some ingredients that I'm going to put in my bread pot to mix to turn into dough. Because later in the next show I am going to prepare some pizza. Now pizza is something I feel is okay to eat once in a while and not all the time. I last prepared pizza a few months ago, but I did have pizza recently. The other day I went out with my friend Chavi to eat, but you know, I tried to have pizza in moderation. Anyway, yeah, the main part of the show will be the vegetables. So I am going to start with putting the ingredients in this pot to prepare the dough, and you'll see how it mixes. Okay, here we go. I am starting by measuring out 1 cup of, I'm measuring out 1 cup of flour. I have whole wheat flour over here. One. Okay, I'm gonna take some white flour. White flour is the more nutritious type of flour, and it's whole grain flour. I'm gonna add in some white flour. The mixture of whole wheat flour and white is good. Whole wheat flour is heavy, white is not as nutritious, but it's lighter. Okay, 2. Okay, 4 cups of flour altogether. Okay. I'm going to add some salt, half a teaspoon. Actually, I'm not going in the order that I usually go, but it will still work. I'm going to add 2 cups of filtered water. Okay, hello again. How you all doing? You can watch my show in the background from the last show in the meantime while I fill the water. Okay. Alright, good. So we have the water, the salt, and the flour in. I'm going to add some sweetener. This is all natural sweetener. If you like, you could add sugar, whatever other sweetener you like. Some people like to add honey. Okay. And the second to last is the vegetable oil. Okay, I'm going to add here some canola oil. Yeah, I'm going to add canola oil. And I'm gonna add some olive oil. Usually I use all olive oil, but from the last show I used a lot of olive oil, so I just have a little left. Actually, yeah, very little left. Okay, olive oil is a healthier type, so I'm gonna buy more olive oil. Okay, good. I'm gonna add a well in the middle of the bread machine. Here's a close-up of it. Okay. And I'm going to add my yeast. The flour needs yeast to rise. It's going to take me a minute to get the yeast open. Oh, here, I got it. Oh my God, that's amazing. I got the yeast into the bread pot. Isn't that amazing? Okay. I'm going to put this grill down. In the meantime, in the back I have my bread machine. Like you see, bread machine. It says on it that it creates bread in an hour, but if I create bread, I always use like the 3-hour setting. Okay, but now I'm creating bread dough. It'll take an hour and a half. You won't see it mix this whole show, but it will be in the background mixing some of the show. Then it'll be mixing after the show, and I'll start my next show on pizza after the dough finishes. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I'm selecting the bread setting, number 7. Okay, it's mixing now. Okay, I'm just gonna watch it, see if it's gonna need more water, see how it mixes, and yeah, I'm just gonna wash my hands for a minute. I'll be out of view for a minute washing my hands. But in the meantime, you can watch some of my other show in the background. Yeah, I'll move the canola oil so you can watch more of the show. I'll move the salt. Alright, I'll see you back in a minute, just washing my hands. Alright, I hope you didn't miss me, I am back. Sitting on my chair and I am watching the mixing now. Okay, I definitely need some more filtered water. Okay. Alright, I am putting about a 1/3 cup of water in it. Okay, it looks like it's starting to turn into a nice paste and dough. Okay. see me in the background. I'm on the show cooking some vegetables. You'll see me cook some more vegetables in a little bit. And yeah, I washed off the carrots a little earlier, and you'll see me grilling them. Yes, I have some onion over here, and yeah, onion, there you go, and some carrots. So I am going to cut these onions. Alright, here you can see the onions that I cut. My hands are washed, of course, so it will be okay to handle the vegetables. See the nice color of the orange of the carrots and the onions. Okay, I'm going to add some canola oil to it, the vegetable. I'll be right back. Okay. Yeah, this is a new experience for me, working on my inspirational videos. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I am enjoying it. Okay, I'm mixing the canola oil on. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up that flour that's on the table. By the way, you see this nice wood table. It dates back to my great-grandmother with her husband years ago, and then it was in my mother's house for years when I lived there, my parents' house in Crown Heights. Then my parents moved to Florida a few years ago, and they brought the table over here. Okay. So yeah, here's your vegetables. I have some eggplants I'm going to slice soon to put onto the grill. Alright, let's check on the flour. Okay, it's getting there. I think it's getting there. I think it needs a little more water. How y'all doing? Just getting some water. You're watching my back. You can see the show in the background. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, yes, it happens. Okay, it's starting to turn pasty. How you doing? Okay. Later on it's going to stop spinning and it's going to rise the dough, but now it's spinning around. It's having its own dance with the different ingredients together. I'm sure they're enjoying the energy. Alright, here's the famous cover for the bread machine. How you all doing? Okay. Isn't this something? Okay.